Hi everyone, welcome back to PyAI. Today we are gonna discuss about creating a simple but super useful project, a personal info card generator in Python. This project will help us recap all the basics we have learned so far, like variables, strings, numbers, list, tuples, dictionaries, and of course, print statements. So let's just jump right now, okay? First, we greet the user with a friendly message using the print. So we can start from here using a hash and one, as print have a comments using hash. Okay, we print the comment as welcome to your personal info card generator. Yeah, the name itself is too impressive for us. So this is a simple way to show the test on the screen, so we can run it. Okay, we are running in main. We can do it in the current one. Okay, so run again. Yeah, welcome to your personal info card generator. So it works. Now we ask the user to enter their name. Okay, we can name it as step 2 or hash 2. So name equal to input, enter your name. Okay, so whatever they type here stored in a variable called name. So we understand name is a variable and the content the user type will be going to that. Okay, so we just give a gap here for the standardization and think of variables as boxes that hold information for later uses, like we contain some snacks for us to eat later on. So like that, name is a variable which stored the information of the user. Okay, here the information is the name of the user, and then we write hash 3 age. In for integer. Okay, input enter your age, then like that. Okay, next we ask the user's age. Since input always gives us text, we use int to convert it into a number, or the age stores uh, as a string. So if we only use the int keyword there, then only it convert to a numerical value. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so what we see here is we are using a input. When we use a input just like this, it will by default print or store it as a string character. So we are using int to convert it into a numerical value. I'm not just making the videos lengthy. Okay, now we are going to do hash 4, that is the DOB. We know the DOB contains day, and year, so we need 3 inputs overall. For that we start with a opening close, and then we write input and birthday, that means birthday. Okay, input and birth month, input and birth year. Okay, so if we run this, we will get the output like this. If we need to add any of the names to that, like I will use Esther. So my age is just 78 and birthday 5 2nd of November. We're using a random answer. Okay, so here we collect the day, month and year of the birth separately and store them in a tuple. So we understand that this is not just a list or something or a input option, but it's contained as a tuple. Okay, these tuples are like lists, but you can't change their values once created. Perfect for things like birth dates or if the things should be like the roll numbers. So it will stay as it is because tuples cannot be modified. Okay, once the value is created, it can be changed, so that's why you use tuple here. And now we are moving to our hash file, that is hobbies. So we can use input enter your hobbies, separated by commas. Okay, and we are letting a dot split with a comma inside it. So we now ask for hobbies separated by commas using dot split and comma. We convert the single string into a list of hobbies. So it can have multiple number of hobbies and it can be separated using commas. So we can count how many hobbies they wrote. Okay. So here we are using list as it is useful because they can store multiple items and can change them later if need. Like if I wrote my hobby as football, I can change it to basketball or any other game, caroms, because it's a list, it can be modified. Okay, so we do all this. Now we are moving back to, we just want to run it so you can understand what it is. Okay, I will use Elizabeth 24 09 08 2008. Okay, I'm giving reading, dancing and football. Okay, so we can just go like that. We can move to foods. Our third one is food, that is for food. Food is equal to, we can give input, as food is a string, we are using input, and and under your favor right foods. So we have mentioned commas here also, okay, and we are doing dot split here, comma inside the quotes. Similarly, we collect the foods in a list. So we have two lists, one tuple, one print statement, and two variables. Okay, we all have about 6 items. Okay, now we are moving to the 7th one. We need some of the information of that person. So we are using a dictionary for that. Okay, for name can use comma, then it can be in a string, it should be a string. Age, as we mentioned that above, date of birth as date of birth, TOB, then hobbies, favorite food, foods. Okay, so it's over. We already have the curly braces. So now we organize everything into a dictionary called info. The dictionary store data in key value pairs. So this is our key, this is our value. Okay, so like that, this is super useful for keeping structured and easy handling of data or accessing it. Okay, now we are going for our 4th step, that is print. Before showing the final card, we need a print header to make it look much more neater, right? Or it will be a messed up thing. So we are using print here, and /n for a new line. We are using this, and your personal info card. Okay, so it will show in the top of that. And for a key value in information items, we should loop to each items in the dictionary using dot items. Like for each key value pair, we print it in a clean format. This displays all the collected info nicely. So after writing this code, you will understand how it really works. For key comma value in info dot items, print f, because we are giving the names here like key colon values. So the key and the value will be printed inside that. Because of that, we use f string, as we already know about that. And our 10th step, we have a total almost 11 step, and now we are moving to our 10th step, that is hash 10 year equal to 2025, birth year equal to int tob 2, print f string, you will turn year minus birth year in year. So and dot. Okay, here is a little calculation. We show how old the user will be in 2025. We take the birth year from the tuple, subtract it from 2025, then print the result. This demonstrate using numbers and arithmetic operations. Like we used a birth year here, so we used it here, and we are using the year 2025. This year is will be printed here. This birth year, that is our year that is given in the DOB, will be subtracted from 2025, and the current years of us will be given here. Okay, after having an example, we can understand it. So our last step, 11, that is print thanks for using the generator. We're giving a token of thanks. Okay, finally we thank the user for using our program, and that's it. Our personal info card is completed now. So there are so many doubts you may have, so that we are going to go through the output. So for that, I am giving a name Alan is 10, birthday 12, birth month 01. Okay, birth year we can give it as 2010. Okay, now enter his hobbies. His hobbies will be football, cricket, car racing, biryani, mandi, and shawarma. Okay, now we can go through everything of that. So here we return all the things, and your personal info card will be Alan, age 10, 12/1 2010, date of birth, who likes football, cricket, car racing, and his favorite food is biryani, mandi, and shawarma. You will turn 15 in 2025, and this is 2025 currently. So 25 minus 10 is 15. Yeah, that's a simple calculation. And that's it. Our project is completed now. We talk about many things, actually a lot. Now it's been a half an hour, and there you have it. A simple project that covers almost all the basics in Python: printing variables, strings, numbers, tuples, dictionaries. You can expand its as much you want this project by adding more personal information like favorite colors, hobbies, or even random fun facts also. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, because that's our motivation. So comment and subscribe to this PyAI Hub for more Python projects. See you soon, and wait till the next video. We will come with something like loops or whatever you suggest in our comment section. Okay.